Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 30 to November 5, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for other messages. Ayan, just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow na rin ang aking Facebook at ang aking TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So ito yung Capricorn bracelet na nag-align sa energies ng mga Capricorn. Meron tong tiger's eye, gold sheen obsidian, at garnet. Ayan. So ito ay available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. So let's begin, Capricorn. What's up with you this week for Capricorn? You have the Queen of Cups. Yung ba sa inyo nagiging kind of emotional? Three of Swords. Alam nyo, I think even last reading, no, for November, meron ding lumabas na Three of Swords sa inyo. Some of you, pwedeng may sadness or you are going through something, no? Merong pwedeng challenge na inaayos mo, wino-workout mo. This can mean related sa finances ninyo na naapektuhan ng inyong emotional stability. Pwedeng merong worries. But with the Ace of Wands here, I think you are being, merong kang bagong opportunity or potential na i-explore about your creativity, Capricorn. Wow, Three of Wands is about improvement, growth. You also have the Two of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, Capricorn, you are overthinking a lot. Yung iba sa inyo pwede nagkaroon ng challenges sa inyong relationship, or yung iba hindi pa nakaka-move on sa inyong past. And pwedeng tinatago nyo lang yan sa inyong sarili, na pwedeng nakaka-apekto yan sa pag-function ninyo. Oo. So, I think this is the time for you to focus on new beginnings. Oo, gawin mo, kumbaga, yung pain na yan, i-transmute mo into excitement. Parang, paano nga ba gagawin yon? But this is transmuting, or parang it-change mo siya, babaguhin mo yung pain and then you convert it to power. Okay? And that is something that you will be doing this week. Okay? Yung conversion ng power, ng pain to power. And with the Two of Swords, kailangan mo lang ng magdesisyon. May mga times kasi na, okay, ito yung time na nalulungkot ka, maraming mga challenges, or even kahit na walang challenges, for no reasons at all, you just feel sad. Oo, sometimes it happens. It's normal. It's okay not to be okay. But it doesn't have to, hindi mo kailangang magstay sa ganyang situation, kasi it seems that there is something na kailangan mong gawin, no? With the Ace of Wands here, this is you initiating something, trying new things. With the Three of Wands, whatever this is na gagawin mo, ito ay magbo-boom, lalago. Okay? Mag-improve. And this might also bring you happiness with the Six of Cups. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, energy from the past, hindi pa kayo nakaka-move on. You are still emotionally invested from that, no? You might dealt with water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or kapareha mong earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But with these energies, I think ito yung ini-embody mo ngayon eh. Being emotionally sensitive and at the same time practical, with your situation na kailangan mong bigyan na ng attention. You need to take this first step. Oo. 'Di ba? Fork in the road. Yung iba sa inyo natitigilan talaga kung anong landas na iti-take nyo, kaliwa, kanan, diretso. But kung mapapansin mo, meron ditong liwanag sa left side nitong deer. So, pwedeng meron kang hindi napapansin na opportunity na maaring yun yung kailangan mong tingnan lingunin, oo. May kailangan kang lingunin. Yin. This is the energy of feminine energy to. Being able to receive something. Feminine energy. Come to the edge. This is about taking a risk. Kung meron ka mga plans na maaring natatakot ka, nasubukan, gawin, kasi baka hindi mag-workout para sa'yo, ito ay mag-workout para sa'yo. Kailangan mo lang ng lakas ng loob na gawin to. Kailangan mo lang mag-decide. Kasi the moment na mag-decide ka, definitely may movement. Pero hanggat hindi ka nakapag-desisyon, you will feel that stuck energy. Pwedeng you will feel anxious about it, no? You also have Moon in Aries in the first house. This is about protecting your loved ones. And then Moon, puro Moon talaga. Yung iba sa inyo, Capricorn, there's a lot of emotions going on. Especially with yourself, yung sa sarili mo. Sometimes you are questioning yourself, ano ba talaga yung purpose mo? Ano ba talaga yung dapat mong gawin? So with the adaptability here, for sure na to na kaya mong mag-adapt. You can be very resilient. Kahit may mga challenges, kayang-kaya mong mapagtagumpayan. Kaya lang ang nakikita ko rito na na nagiging challenge sa'yo is yung sense of fulfillment sa ginagawa mo. Kung masaya ka ba talaga sa ginagawa mo or sa sitwasyon na meron ka. Okay? Iba career to, related sa career. Come to the edges, this is trying new things. Oo. Taking a risk. So, meron kang support na marireceive from your career, your work environment, from your workplace. Itong outlier is about being innovative, no? Parang breaking your boundaries. Breaking rules. Taking, kumbaga mas nagiging experimental ka. Lalo na sa career mo. Kasi maaring yung mga opportunities na yan, hindi mo napapansin kasi nakafocus ka sa anything na conventional, traditional, practical. But there are opportunities for you outside of your comfort zone. Yeah. So, sa relationship, meron ditong expectation. So, importante raw sa relationship nyo na alam nyo yung ine-expect ninyo sa isa't isa. O, yung iba rito, hindi pa nag-open or nahihiya na ito yung expectations ko sa'yo or hindi mo nasasabi sa iba. So, kailangan, if you're in a relationship, you need to know what you want and being able to express that and tell that to the person. Same with the other person that you're dealing with. Dapat alam mo rin kung ano yung ine-expect niya sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.